Faced with the possibility of foreclosure, a Palm City family called News Channel 5 for help. They're strapped for cash, and their homeowner's insurance is making things even tighter. In tonight's Impact 5, Mike Trim explains they do have some options.
Jane Hildebrand and her sons Charlie and Bob are trying to hang in there like most homeowners these days.
It's very tight, but hey, we don't need a whole lot. And I'm a good cook and I know how to do food.
Jane's son Bob was helping pay the bills until a car accident put him on permanent disability. That loss of income was tough enough, but add to that increased homeowners insurance rates, and they reached their breaking point.
I had paid $2,100 the year before, and she got me one for $2,540. I went ahead in this policy and I did not have the cash to pay it.
It lapsed, and Jane says her mortgage company put her in a forced-placed homeowner's insurance for $4,200 a year, far more than they could afford.
When folks don't pay their insurance themselves, banks have to have the property insured.
Real estate attorney Sherry Olafson says if you start having trouble paying your homeowner's insurance, it's best to start communicating that to your bank.
There are resources for homeowners either through your bank, through their proprietary programs, either a forbearance where they would stop from exercising some of their rights for the time being, or a modification.
Jane says she struggled dealing with her mortgage company and was recently denied a modification.
The first thing that people have to really look at with a housing-related problem is whether this is a temporary problem or a permanent problem.
Olafson suggests several options: selling, a short sale, or even renting out your home and living somewhere else for less.
The only reason I want to keep this until I can get to the point where I can sell it is I want him to get his money back.
The bottom line is, if it's unsustainable, you need to find a long-term solution, which usually involves some kind of change.
A change the family isn't ready to make. Mike Trim, WPTV News Channel 5.